Good day. Please tell me about yourself and your family.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Margie A. Magkailo from Manggayong Kanaman, Camarines Sur. I have 3 kids, 12 years old, and second, 9 years old. Third is 2 years old. I'm happily married. My husband's name is Raymond Magkailo. I'm Roman Catholic, high school graduate. I have 4 brothers and I have 3 sisters.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience abroad as domestic helper in Muscat, Oman, and since 2017 to 2019.
So what is your main duty as a domestic helper?
My main duty is cooking, cleaning, washing their clothes, car washing, and take care of baby.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
The time I sleep 10 p.m. and I wake up 4 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at work?
Yes, I'm cooking and sometimes marketing.
So in 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
1 time.
Okay. And how do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
I teach respect elderly and to be kind.
And then in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I do more patient.
And how would you describe your previous employer?
My previous employer is good.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No.
Can you sing a nursery song?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, 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 all through town.
And then please say something to your future employer.
To my future employer, please choose me. I finish my contract if you choose me.
And then,
And then thank you and God bless.
thank you.